Guess what? Advertising on Facebook doesn't work anymore. What's up, y'all? This is Asfar from Wavely. Today, I want to talk about the data fiasco that Facebook's been in recently and the 3 things that you can do to advertise better. Now, Facebook's been in the spotlight a lot lately because of the huge breaches on user data and the role that it's perceived to have in interfering with democratic elections all around the world. Because of all of this, a lot of the users have actually left Facebook, which has, no surprise, driven up the cost of advertising on the social network. Plus, these past few months, Facebook's been slowly removing certain features that has helped marketers in the past, like estimated reach reporting, targeting options, and other metrics that Facebook thinks is no longer relevant. All of this makes it harder for us marketers to do our job and harder for new businesses like yours to get the exposure that you need on this platform. But you know what? It's still worth it to advertise on Facebook, and I'll tell you why. The funny thing about this whole episode is that it clearly shows that Facebook targeting actually works. Otherwise, nobody would really care that Facebook's storing massive amounts of data on our demographics and user behavior, because we all enjoy using the products that this company has created. But if you're going to start advertising or continue to advertise on Facebook this year, you're going to have to do things very, very differently. Let's talk about the 3 things that can help you to get started. Did you know that there's more than 50 million active business pages on Facebook? How do you stand in such a crowd? Back in Facebook's early days, you could simply run an ad on Facebook, get your likes and shares, and boom, you'll see the results that you want. But since Facebook's been changing their newsfeed algorithm this year to prioritize posts from friends and family instead of pages, the cost of advertising has increased dramatically. Plus, when you're competing with millions of businesses, things can get pretty challenging. But it can also be a great opportunity for you to stand out. Take a look at 2 examples of really creative ads that gets users' attention. Let's look at the first ad. Now, square videos are all the rage right now on Facebook, and everyone seems to be making them. But the top and the bottom black bar is a great way to write a headline that can immediately catch people's attention. Take a look at the second ad. Now, the reason why this is a creative way to design your ads is because emojis are a fun and positive way to communicate with people. We all use them, and using emojis along with your text is a pretty straightforward way to guide your users' attention and let them sort of know what to expect from the video. The bottom line is, with every ad that you create, don't just focus on vanity metrics like shares and like. Think about how your audience is going to interact with the ad, and always find new ways to be creative in your ads so you can drive users to engage more with your business. Facebook may be the biggest and most common platform to advertise, but it's not only the platform that you can use to promote your business. And if you think that it's more suitable to advertise your business on a different platform, you go right ahead. As a start, you can diversify to other channels like LinkedIn or Twitter. These social media platforms are actually cheaper for you to advertise on, and the users that are on these 2 platforms are on there for business purposes, at least more than on Facebook. Or if you want the convenience of managing your ads from one platform, you can diversify into Instagram. From there, you can diversify into other visual social media apps like Pinterest or Snapchat. The key benefit of advertising somewhere else apart from Facebook is that you have a lower acquisition cost, which means that you won't have to pay as much per click as you would on Facebook because it's less competitive. But at the end of the day, what matters for your business is generating traffic. And you might be surprised to know that you can find that traffic elsewhere. Now, if you haven't heard anything about chatbots before, the name can be kind of intimidating. It makes you think that robots are here to take over your jobs. But actually, if you can do it well, using chatbots can make your life way easier and make your Facebook marketing strategy perform way better than you can expect. But let's start with the basics. What is a chatbot actually? Well, chatbots are basically programs that you can build to automatically engage with your fans when they send you a message. You can either program your chatbot to respond the same way each time, or if you're smart and savvy, you can program it to respond differently to different messages. There's so many ways that chatbots can be used to drive more growth for your business. Chatbots can help you respond to customers and resolve complaints faster. They can basically be your virtual customer service assistant. Or you can use them to drive your content to customers who want more detailed information on your product. It would save you a lot of time and a lot of money if you know how to use chatbots. And if you can start using them right now from the very beginning of your marketing strategy, that's even better. And that's it. Those are our 3 tips on how you can advertise differently on Facebook. Transition! Did you like this video? Did you hate it? Do you think it's still worth advertising on Facebook? Or do you think it's better to go elsewhere? Share your comments below. As always, if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Asfar from Wavely. Thank you for watching. See you next time.